For most informative tasks, the bot takes care of the chat, but when the users can't get their answers from the bot, they need a real person to talk to. In that case, we have a live chat feature powered by Desku.io. To use it, we have to configure live chat with Deskubots. Go to the integration page. Install the live chat feature. Click Configure. You will see Connect Story button. Sign in with the Desku.io account. Give a name to the bot. Choose a Desku Bot recipe to link with the live chat widget. Edit the recipe to add the Talk to Agent button. The license ID will be fetched automatically if you have configured the live chat properly. Let's see how this bot recipe works. On the left side, there is a live chat agent screen from Desku Helpdesk, and the user is on the right side. Wherever you have used this live chat widget, will be run by the Desku Bot first, then it will transfer the chat to the live agent if the user asks. You can connect different recipes to different Desku Bots according to your plan limit.